In this video, I'll show you how to quickly send a test email in Brevo. First, log into your Brevo account and head to the Campaigns tab. Click Create a Campaign and choose the type Regular or A/B Test. Give your campaign a name and set your sender info so recipients recognize you. Next, customize your email. Choose your recipients, write an engaging subject line, and design your email. You can use a template, the drag and drop editor for branding, the simple editor for quick changes, or HTML for full control. Once your email is ready, go to Preview and Test and click Send Test Email. This ensures your email looks perfect across devices and all links work correctly. And that's it. Sending a test email in Brevo helps you catch errors and guarantees a polished campaign before you hit send. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Brevo tips.